In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord background theme. If you want to give Discord a fresh new look, the good news is that it only takes a few clicks. Whether you prefer the standard built-in themes or you're curious about the extra color options available with Discord Nitro, I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can update the appearance of your app with confidence. Start by opening Discord and going to your main dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your servers, messages, and account controls. Make sure you're fully logged in so all of your profile and settings options are available. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile area. This section usually shows your avatar and account status, and it's where you can access account-related settings. Clicking here opens the menu you'll need for the next part. From that menu, click on Edit Profile. This takes you into the section where you can manage how your account appears and where several personalization options are located. If Discord's layout looks slightly different on your version, don't worry. The labels are usually very similar, and the process is still straightforward. After that, click on the profile section. This brings you into the broader profile settings area where Discord groups together customization features for your account and app experience. Next, look over to the left-hand column and find Appearance under the Experience section. Click on Appearance to open the display-related settings. This is where Discord keeps the options that affect how the interface looks on your screen. Once Appearance is open, click on Theme in the left-hand column. This is the specific section for changing the overall background style and visual theme of Discord. Now you can choose your new theme. Under Default Themes, click on any theme you want to use, and Discord should apply the change right away so you can preview it instantly. If you want even more visual styles, you can also look under Color Themes. Just keep in mind that those color theme options require Discord Nitro, which is a paid subscription, so you'll need that plan if you want to use them. Take a moment to click through the available options and see which one feels best for your setup. A lighter theme can make things feel brighter, while a darker one can be easier on the eyes, especially at night. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Discord background theme.